Actually, we come.
वदतु.
We are actually Friday back, but yesterday we.
चिन्ता नास्ति, कदापि आगच्छन्तु, चिन्ता नास्ति. केवलं.
नमस्ते महोदय.
नमस्ते. कथमस्ति महोदय?
सम्यक् अस्ति.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्.
धन्यवादः.
प्रार्थनायाः आरम्भं कुर्मः.
ओके.
गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरो मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. नमः सर्वेभ्यः. अद्य किञ्चित् पुनरावलोकनतः आरम्भं कुर्मः. सर्वे पुनः प्रथमं किञ्चित् वदन्तु गृहपाठं कथम् आसीत् इति. अहं दृष्टवती अभ्यासवर्गद्वये किञ्चित् क्लेशः आसीत् इति अहं चिन्तयामि. बहु क्लेशः आसीत् वा नो चेत् कर्तुं शक्यते वा? कथम् आसीत्? शक्नुवन्ति वा? स्तरः सम्यक् आसीत् वा? The level was okay? किञ्चित् प्रवेशायाः
Translation was little tough.
It always is. It always is tough. The translation is the hardest part because it's not our own mother tongue, right? It's not we're not used to speaking in it. So to come up with the right words, the context, all that, it takes time. But it's good practice. तदेव अस्ति. क्षम्यतां, मम पुत्रः न गच्छति, मम समीपे एव तिष्ठति. इदानीं पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः. प्रवेशपाठ्यक्रमे किं भवन्तः किं जानन्ति, किं स्मरन्ति, तदेव अद्यतनकक्षायाः लक्ष्यमस्ति. अद्य कक्षायां पुनरावलोकनम् एव भवति, परन्तु किञ्चित् परिचयमपि ददामि. सन्धिः इति किमस्ति तादृशं, यतः श्लोकं भवति तत्र. तु यदा श्लोकं वयं कुर्मः तत्र सन्धिः अपि अस्ति. तु कोऽपि जानाति चेत् तत्रापि किञ्चित् परिचयमपि दातुं शक्नुमः. अस्माकं कृते सम्यक् भवति. तु अहं शेर् स्क्रीन् करोमि. एकनिमिषं. दृश्यते वा सर्वे? सर्वस्य कृते?
आं महोदय.
क्षम्यताम्, एतत्तु प्रथमं तु कथम् आरम्भं कुर्मः इत्युक्ते, यदा वयं संस्कृतेन वदामः तु तत्र वाक्यम् उपयुज्य एव वदामः खलु. वाक्यस्य अन्ते अन्तर्भूतः केचन विषयाः सन्ति. तत्र प्रथमं तु अस्ति क्रियापदं. क्रियापदम् आवश्यकमेव. सर्वाणां वाक्यानां क्रियापदम् आवश्यकमेव. केचन वाक्यानां तु अस्ति एतादृशं भवति, अद्याहारः भवति इत्युक्ते इट् इस् इम्प्लैड्. There sometimes the kriya padam is implied, but always in a vakyam there will always necessarily have to be a kriya padam. The verb will always have to be there. So one of the simplest sentences. So Vijaya Mahodaya, ekam vakyam केवलं पदद्वयम् उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं वदतु.
अहं पठामि.
सम्यक्. तत्र अहम् एकं पदमस्ति, पठामि इति एकं पदमस्ति. तत्र पठामि पदं तत्र विश्लेषणं करोतु. किम् अस्ति तत्?
पठामि मीन्स् अस्मत् शब्दः.
Aham is asmat shabdah. Samyak.
Yeah.
All I want to know is which is the kriya padam and what is the other padam.
Oh, okay. Patami is the kriya padam.
Samyak. So tatra verb asti. Kriya padam iti asti. Aham pathami. Path ityukte reading. So aham pathami. So aham is what?
It's me. It's just karta.
It is the karta. It is the nama padam. The noun.
Nama padam.
Hello. Yeah. Nama padam asti. Kriya padam asti. So always in a vakyam, the simplest vakyam that you can make is this padadvaya vakyam. Padadvaya vakyam where you have vrikshaha asti, tadrisham. No chet utpitika asti, vanaraha asti, asti iti upajya bahu सुलभतया पदद्वयस्य वाक्यं वक्तुं शक्नुमः। तु वाक्यम् इति अस्ति तत्र पदानां समूहः। समूहः इत्युक्ते सङ्ग्रहणं। when it is when there are a group of words. पदस्य अन्तर्गतः किं किम् अस्ति? पदस्य अन्तर्भूते किं किम् अस्ति? What is in a word? What belongs to a word?
अक्षराणि सन्ति।
एकं पदं मध्ये अक्षराणि सन्ति. Why is that important? That it seems like it's kindergarten stuff, right? Aksharam, we are reading A, B, C, D, A, I, Tadrisham. So it is very important in Parichaya, especially. You did it in Pravesha also because you had to learn all the different Samyukta Aksharani, Gunita Aksharani, all that, right? But over here in Parichaya, it's very important because when we are talking about two words that are coming close. So when I read the shlokam, Guru Reva Gatir, Guru Meva Bhaje, you remember that? When I said it is Guruhu Eva Gatihi. But how did I say it? I said Guru Reva Gatir. You heard that instead of Guruhu Eva, I said Guru Reva. Hello? When you read shlokas, you all say that. There is always, when you say two words close together, when they meet, it is not which padas are put together. It is the end letter of the first pada, the first letter of the second pada. When they meet up, how is it easy for it to flow out of the mouth?
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
Samyak. Tatra sandhi. Sandhi karyam bhavati. So, aksharam, that you need to know all the different aksharas in a padam so that we can know when sandhi happens and when it doesn't happen. So that is where we will move towards sandhi later. But that is very important. So, padanam madhye aksharani santi. Tattu bahu avashyakam asmakam krite. Anantaram padam tu dvividham asti. Idanimeva vayam uktavantah. नामपदं क्रियापदम्. ओके, तो पुनरावलोकनमेव अस्ति. तो क्रियापदानां मध्ये वैशिष्ट्यानि कानि? What do we know about verbs? क्रियापदानि. What when we say a क्रियापदं? So महोदय भवान् उक्तवान् इदानीमेव पठामि इति. So if I asked you, tell me what does pathami, like can you give me some sort of an idea of why you said not pathati? Why is it pathami? Why is it not pathamaha? Can you give me like what are all the specialities?
Purushaha.
Samyak. How many kati purushaha santi?
Trini purushaha.
Trayah purushaha santi. Ke?
Prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama purusha.
Samyak. Prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama purusha. Anantaram purushaha asti. Anantaram kim?
वर्तमानकाले
कथं सूचयामः? यदि कालः अस्ति चेत् कथं सूचयामः? लकारः. किमर्थं लकारः इति पदं? लकारः किमर्थं? प्रीति महोदय जानाति? वदतु महोदय.
लकारः
सम्यक्. But why that word lakarah? इदानीं वर्तमानकालस्य लकारः किम्? लट् लकारः. आज्ञा प्रतिज्ञा कृते किम्? लोट् लकारः. प्रथम अक्षरं किम्? ल. ततः लकाराः इति वदामः. विस्मृतवती, चिन्ता नास्ति. लट् लकारः, लृट् लकारः. लृट् लकारः इत्युक्ते किम्? भविष्यत्कालः. अनन्तरं भूतकालस्य लङ् लकारः. सम्यक्. सो लट् लृट् लङ्. अनन्तरम् आज्ञा प्रतिज्ञा. तत्र किं भवति? लोट् लकारः. तदेव वयं कृतवन्तः प्रवेश पाठ्यक्रमे. चत्वारः लकाराः. अत्र एकमन्यमपि पठामः, लिङ्लकारः इति. लिङ्लकारः अपि लोट्लकारस्य कृते वयं तत्र वाट् वास् द मूड्? आज्ञा प्रतिज्ञा. लिङ्लकारमध्ये अपि आज्ञा प्रतिज्ञा एव भवति. We have all learnt, we all know लिङ्लकारः. We don't know the formation etc. But in shlokas, bhavet iti vadamah khalu. Bhavet is लिङ्लकारः. So we all have an idea of what it is. but it is similar to the lot lakara, but there is a little bit extra to it. We'll come to that later. So we will add one more lakara. When we did the so in kriya padam we talked about purusha, we talked about vachana. What else is there in kriya padam? We didn't talk about vachana. We talked about purusha, we talked about lakara. The other thing is vachana. Ahameva uktavati. कानि वचनानि सन्ति?
अवलेसुगिटा वचनन्त त्रीणि
वचनानि कानि?
वर्तमानकाल, भूतकालः, भविष्यत्।
एकवचनं
एकवचनं द्विवचनं
बहुवचनं बहुवचनं।
एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं। उत्तमं। तु क्रियापदानां मध्ये त्रयः विषयाः सन्ति। लकारः, वचनम्, अनन्तरं
पुरुषः।
सम्यक्। इदानीं तादृशमेव यदि नामपदम् इति वदामि, विजयमहोदय उक्तवान् अहम् इति एकं नामपदम् उक्तवान् खलु महोदय? अहं तु भवान् उक्तवान्, किं शब्दः अस्ति? कः शब्दः?
अहं मीन्स्
भवान् उक्तवान् अस्मत्।
अस्मत्।
सम्यक्। अस्मत् इत्युक्ते किं? तत्र प्रातिपदिकं।
Yes.
प्रातिपदिकं मूल, दट् इस् द रूट् वर्ड्। प्रातिपदिकम् इति अस्ति। तो नामपदानां मध्ये प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति। लकाराणां मध्ये मूलं किं?
धातु।
बहु सम्यक्। तु लकाराणां तु क्रियापदानां मध्ये धातु अस्ति, नामपदानां मध्ये मूलपदं तु प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति। इदानीं नामपदानां मध्ये, like in lakaras we talked about purusha vachanam and lakara, the three things that are in namapadani, what are they?
वचना, लिंग,
लिंगम। सम्यक्। तत्र लिंगम् एकं नूतन विषयम् अस्ति तत्र खलु? कानि लिंगानि सन्ति?
त्रीणि।
कति लिंगानि? त्रीणि। कानि कानि? ते कानि? तानि कानि? सम्यक्। पुल्लिङ्गः, स्त्रीलिङ्गः, नपुंसकलिङ्गः। सम्यक्। लिङ्गत्रयमस्ति। अनन्तरं नामपदानां मध्ये अन्यं किम् अस्ति? विभक्ति। सम्यक्। कति विभक्तयः सन्ति? सप्त विभक्तयः सन्ति। सप्त। किमर्थम् अष्ट नास्ति? एकमेव वदतु। इदानीं राजश्री महोदय भवती उक्तवती किं सम्बोधना मध्ये किमर्थं तत्र अष्टमः नास्ति इति वदामः?
तत् प्रथमा विभक्ते मध्ये एव अस्ति।
सम्यक्। तत्र वैशिष्ट्यं किम् इत्युक्ते, you know how in there is sukthas, jis, all that is there, all those different pratyas that we add, you would have heard, we don't need to know it, but each vibhakti ending has one pratyaya that comes in the end. For sambodhana, what it is that it is the same endings as the prathama vibhakti. There is no new endings. There is just a slightly different formula that's applied only for the ekavachanam. Dvivachanam, trivachanam, bahuvachanam, they are all the same formation as the prathama vibhakti. We know that, kalu. It is only in ekavachanam that sometimes in sambodhana it is slightly different. So it falls under the prathama vibhakti. So we have prathama, dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, saptami, shashti and saptami. Tadeva. So if sampurnataya kati rupani santi? Vibhakti rupani? Ekavamshati. So sapta vibhaktayah santi. Kimartham ekavamshati rupani?
त्रीणि वचनानि
सम्यक्। त्रीणि वचनानि सन्ति। तो त्रीणि वचनानि सन्ति, सप्त विभक्तयः सन्ति। 7 times 3 21.
7 times 3 21.
7 times 3 21. So नामपदानां मध्ये इदानीं लिङ्गम् इति उक्तवन्तः, अनन्तरं विभक्ति इति उक्तवन्तः, अनन्तरं वचनमपि अस्ति, वचनमपि उक्तवन्तः। तो तदेव. So that is the difference between the two. एकनिमिषं, शेर् स्क्रीन् कुतः गतवत्? अत्रैव। तो इदानीं नामपदं क्रियापदानां मध्ये लिङ्गं वचनं विभक्ति, क्रियापदम् इत्युक्ते लकारः पुरुषः वचनं। दृश्यते खलु? अनन्तरं क्रियापदम् इत्युक्ते तिङन्तम् इति अन्य नामधेयम् अस्ति। भवन्तः जानन्ति खलु जानन्ति वा न जानन्ति वा?
न जानन्ति।
न जानन्ति, चिन्ता नास्ति। अग्रिमकक्षायां किमर्थं तिङन्तं किमर्थं सुबन्तम् इति पाठयामः, चिन्ता नास्ति। इदानीं केवलं शृणोतु, केवलं परिचयं। क्रियापदम् इत्युक्ते नाम तिङन्तम् इति अपि वक्तुं शक्नुमः, नामपदं सुबन्तम् इति अपि वक्तुं शक्नुमः। किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते अग्रिमपाठे कुर्मः। इदानीं प्रवेशस्य पाठ्यक्रमाः, तत्र व्याकरणांशाः सन्ति। प्रथमं तु वयम् उक्तवन्तः एव, तत्र विभक्तयः, 7 विभक्तयः। भवन्तः यदा प्रवेशपाठ्यक्रमे यदा वयं प्रवेशमध्ये पठितवन्तः, कारकम् इति परिचयम् आसीत् वा? कारकम् इत्युक्ते किम्? विजय महोदय, भवान् उक्तवान् कर्ता इति। कर्ता इति भवान् जानाति?
Yes.
कर्ता इत्युक्ते what does that mean?
Means the doer.
The doer. So karakam. So the karakam ityukte all of these noun forms that are associated with the verb kriyapadam. Kriyapadam asti. क्रियापदस्य सम्बन्धे केचन नामपदानि वयम् उपयोगं कर्तुं शक्नुमः। ते एव कारकानि इति वयं वदामः। अहं वदामि, एकनिमिषम्। तो 7 विभक्तयः सन्ति, परन्तु 6 एव कारकानि सन्ति। किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते प्रथमा विभक्ति इति अस्ति, तत्र कर्ता इति विजयमहोदय उक्तवान्। महोदय, भवान् उक्तवान् अहं पठामि इति। तो अहं वदामि आम् आम् पठामि। तो अहं वदामि कः पठति? तो भवान् उत्तरं कथं ददाति?
अहं पठामि।
तत्र उत्तरम् इत्युक्ते उत्तरे अहम् इति वदति खलु। तु कः, यदि अहं क्रियापदम् उपयुज्य तत्र कः इति उपयोगं करोमि, कः पठति, तत्र अहम् इति उत्तरम् आगच्छति। सो फॉर इन प्रथमा you can ask the verb, you can ask the kriyapadam kah karoti, and you will get the karta. Hello, we're not worried about the lingam and the vachanam right now. I'm just asking kah karoti, eshah karoti, vrikshah asti, something like that. Kah asti, vrikshah asti, kah gacchati, chatrah gacchati. Sarvada tatra prathama vibhakti eva asti uttare. Hello, tatra I am asking the kriya padam kaha iti, and uttare there is prathama vibhakti. So when you have a kriya padam, there will always be the doer which is in prathama vibhakti. Tatra anantaram dvitiya vibhakti tu karma padam asti. जानन्ति सर्वे? कर्म padam asti. Tatra प्रिया महोदय, भवती वदतु एकं वाक्यं द्वितीया विभक्ति उपयुज्य।
अहं पाठं पठामि।
सम्यक्। इदानीं कृपया मह्यं किञ्चित् सुलभतया आगच्छति यदि भवती प्रथमपुरुषे उपयोगं करोति चेत्।
सीता पाठं पठति।
सीता पाठं पठति। अहं पाठं पठामि अपि सम्यक् एव, परन्तु इट विल बी easier for me to explain with प्रथमा विभक्ति। ओके, सो सीता पाठं पठति। इदानीम् अहं पृच्छामि कां पठति? पाठं पठति। अहं क्रियापदं प्रति अहं वदामि कां पठति। I can ask again to the verb, I can ask the क्रियापदं कां पठति, पाठं पठति। कः पठति, का पठति?
सीता पठति।
सम्यक्। सो कः नो चेत् का नो चेत् किं, तत्र it will answer with the prathama vibhakti. If I ask
Kam what?
Kam is dvitiya vibhakti, right?
No, what is it? Meaning becomes what?
Correct. It is so if you look at the ka shabdah, it is kah kauke kam kaukan. Look, that is in pumlingam. Strilingam madhye katham? I made a mistake. Very good. You pointed it out. I'm very glad. I asked in Strilingam. What should it have been? Pustakam is what lingam? Napumsakalingam. So what should I have asked?
Kim
Pathati. Dhanyavadah Chitra Mahodaya. Samyak. Kim Pathati. I was thinking Sita. See, even it's very easy to this pravesha pathyakramaha. They are so Vishalam, because they deal with the vibhaktis, they deal with the basic lakaras. We never stop studying them. No matter whether we go to Kovida, whether we go past, the vibhaktis, you will find you are constantly going over and over and over them. So no one is, Hanuman might be Nava Vyakarana Kovidaha, but we are not anywhere there. I don't think most of us will not reach there in this lifetime. So the Prathama Pravesha Pathyakramaha will be a constant learning journey, and Abhyasam will always be necessary. Okay. So right now we are just making sure we know the foundations. So Kim Pathati Tatra Pustakam Pathati. So Aham Kriya Padasya Kriti Aham Prichhami Kim Pathati Pustakam Pathati. Samyak. Anantaram Tritiya Vibhakti Upayujya Ekam Vakyam Vadatu Tatra Nama Nagatavat Ekanamsham. Madhavi Mahodaya Bhavati Vadati Va? Tritiya Vibhakti Upayujya.
बालकः हस्तेन खादति
हस्तेन खादति बहु सम्यक् तो कथम अहम इदानीं क्रियापदस्य कृते अहम एकं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि तत्र यदि तत् प्रश्नं पृच्छामि तत्र उत्तरे हस्तं क्षम्यतां हस्तम् इति उत्तरम् आवश्यकं कथं पृच्छामि
केन
सम्यक् केन भवती उक्तवती लिखति वा
खादति
केन खादति हस्तेन खादति केन खादति हस्तेन खादति I was able to ask the kriya padam with what is it happening and hastena iti uttaram agatavat samyak khalu agre chaturthi vibhakti. If anybody has a question in the middle of any of this, please stop and ask me. We are a small class, there is no problem. Okay, so as long as we are not talking over one another, we should just make sure we are solid in all of these concepts. Chaturthi vibhakti asti. चतुर्थी विभक्ति अनुराधा महोदय भवती वदति वा एकं वाक्यं चतुर्थी विभक्ति उपयुज्य
चतुर्थी माता बालकाय क्षीरं ददाति
सम्यक् माता बालकाय क्षीरं ददाति तत्र ददाति तस्य क्रियापदस्य कृते अहं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि कथं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि महोदय भवती एव वदतु I want the answer as बालकाय
kasmai dadati.
Kasmai dadati. So I was able to ask, why is it kasmai? Does everybody know that the Chaturthi Vibhakti of Kashabdaha is kasmai? Prathama in Ekavachanam. Kah kauke kam kaukan. Kena kabhyam kaihi. Kasmai kabhyam kebhya. So kasmai. Kasmai dadati. Balakaya dadati. Again, I was able to ask the Kriya Padam and the Kriya Padam gave me the uttaram. To Balakaya iti. Samyak? तदपि कारकम् इति वक्तुं शक्नुमः अनन्तरं पञ्चमी विभक्ति अस्ति पञ्चमी विभक्ति अपादाने पञ्चमी अपादाने इत्युक्ते किमपि there is something solid and we are moving away from that apadane we are coming away from something okay that is apadanam isampradanam ityukte to give to when there is recipient apadanam is you are moving away from something so panchami vibhakti
from isn't it from
Ramat
वदतु महोदय ग्रामात् किं सम्पूर्णवाक्यं वदतु
ग्रामात् पुस्तकम् आगच्छति
सम्यक् ग्रामात् पुस्तकम् आगच्छति इदानीं वयं पठामः पुस्तकं नास्ति मम समीपे तु ग्रामात् पुस्तकम् आगच्छति तो तत्र आगच्छति इति क्रियापदं सर्वे जानन्ति तत्र to that kriya padam agachati I am going to ask a prashnam so that my response will be kramat katham prichhami
kutah
agachati iti prashtum shaknumah ek anya ritya api asti katham
kutah from where
kutah no chet kasmat dvayam api samyak tatra kutah agachati kasmat agachati I am able to ask the kriya padam utah agachati the kriya padam will tell me ग्रामात् आगच्छति इदानीं पश्यतु षष्ठी विभक्ति अस्ति षष्ठी विभक्ति उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं वदामः हीना महोदय भवती वदति वा षष्ठी विभक्ति उपयुज्य एकं वाक्यं
कृष्णस्य गृहं
कृष्णस्य भगिनी सुभद्रा
सम्यक्
अस्ति
कृष्णस्य भगिनी सुभद्रा अस्ति. Tatra there is a very important thing. She could have left the sentence as Krishnasya Bhagini Subhadra. That is also correct. Hello. There's nothing wrong. If you had left out the asti, that is also correct. Because asti there is implied. It is adhyaharaha. Huh? So, Krishnasya Bhagini Subhadra asti. Samyak. Tatra asti iti kriyapadam asti. So, I have to ask something to the kriyapadam that my answer will be Krishnasya. Is there any way I can do that?
No, that is
No.
not for
What
Shasti.
question can I ask to get the response as Krishnasya?
Kasya.
Kasya. But who will you ask that question to? Which
The
of those
karta.
words? Huh?
Karta.
You will ask Bhagini. You will ask
Ah.
Kasya Bhagini asti Subhadra. Kasya
So it
Bhagini.
will
You
be
will ask the Namapadam. You are not
Namapadam,
asking the
karta.
Kriyapadam.
Right.
So
Karta.
it is not a Karakam. Karakam ityukte, you can ask the Kriyapadam and you can get the answer. All of those, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, we asked the Kriyapadam and we got the response in that Vibhakti. Khalu. But in Shashti, it is associated with the Namapadam. So we cannot ask the Kriyapadam. So Shashti is not a Karakam. It is a Vibhakti, but it is not a Karakam. It's a small difference, but a very important difference in Vyakarana. Okay. So Shashti Sambandhe. Adhikarane Saptami. Ityukte kim? What is Saptami used for? Kim?
Location. Location.
Location. Location.
Yeah.
Location.
It belongs to.
Belongs to ityukte
Belongs to
kam?
karta.
Belongs to the karta, that is Shashti. Hello. Tatra sambandha asti.
Okay. Belongs to karta. Okay.
That is Shashti Vibhakti. Idanim Saptami Vibhakti. Preeti Mahoday bhavati vadatu ekam vakyam.
उत्पीठिकायां फलानि सन्ति.
उत्पीठिकायां फलानि सन्ति. सम्यक्. तत्र सन्ति इति क्रियापदमस्ति. प्रश्नः पृच्छतु. प्रश्नं पृच्छतु. सन्ति इति क्रियापदस्य.
कुत्र फलानि सन्ति?
सम्यक्. यदि कोऽपि वदति चेत् अन्यत् सर्वे किञ्चित् मूकीकृता कुर्वन्तु, नो चेत् कोलाहलं भवति. तो इदानीं प्रीति महोदय उक्तवती सर्वे किञ्चित् शृणोतु, शृण्वन्तु. तो प्रीति महोदय भवती उक्तवती कुत्र सन्ति इति. अन्यरीत्या अपि वक्तुं शक्नुमः.
तस्यां फलानि सन्ति.
सम्यक्. So kutra is easier than kasyam because there is no lingam associated with it. So but we can use kasyam because utpitika is
स्त्रीलिंग पदम.
स्त्रीलिंगम. सम्यक्. So kasyam santi no chet kutra santi utpitikayam santi. So we can ask the kriya padam, we get the answer. So saptami vibhakti is also karakam. Tadeva asti. So we learnt all the vibhaktis. We might not have learnt the specific karakani in what is a karakam in pravesha, but it is very simple. It is just a slight addition onto vibhakti, so I thought I'll introduce it here. Tadeva asti. So karaka vachakaya. Anantaram vayam praveshayam कालवाचकाय अपि उपयोगं कृतवन्तः. तत्र लकाराणाम् उपयोगम् आसीत्. तो इदानीमेव वयम् उक्तवन्तः वर्तमानकाले लट्लकारः लकाराः.
Why it is called lat lut lakara?
That because Pani or I don't know, even before him it was just decided. So that is just a name. It was just a way to symbolize it, and they used all the la words to symbolize it. I honestly don't know. There might be a deeper reason, but I don't know why. If I find out, I'll tell you.
Okay, thank you.
So lat lakarah asti. Anantaram tatra lakarah asti. Anantaram vayam tumun pratyayah tvantam api vayam kritavantah. Those also come under present tense, even though you can use it in past and things like that. We'll talk about that later. But we also learned tumun and tvantam. Hello? Where is tumun used? What is tumun used for? Can someone give me a sentence with tumun?
बालकः पठितुं विद्यालये गच्छति.
1 minute, I just have to yell at my kids. Amita. I don't Amita. Te kimapi दृश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति परन्तु मम कृते सम्यक् नास्ति. So we did tumun was pathitum gachati. So that was in order to study, to do something. Tumun pratyaya is to do something. Hello. Tadeva asti. Tvantam. Tvantam ityukte kim? Tvantam. What? Give me an example using tvantam. Vijay Mahoday, Bhavan vadatu. Mahodaya.
Tuman. Tuman.
Tva.
Is after doing something.
रामः पठित्वा विद्यालयं गच्छति.
पठित्वा गच्छति वा विद्यालयं? तो रामः सम्यक्. तत्र किम् अस्ति इति अहं कथां वदामि. रामः बहु उत्तमछात्रः अस्ति. उत्तमः छात्रः. सः गृहे एव प्रातःकाले सूर्योदयस्य समये उत्थाय सः पाठं पठितवान्. सः पाठं पठित्वा सः पाठशालां गतवान् खलु. पठित्वा सः पाठशालां गतवान्. बहु सम्यक्. सो पठित्वा इत्युक्ते तत्र किम् अभवत्? सः प्रथमं पठितवान्, अनन्तरं गतवान्. So one after the other. So we are giving an order to the sentence. So tvantam means after finishing something, then the next. Tumun is the other way around. Now Ramah उत्तमः छात्रः नास्ति. न तो चेत् सः उत्तमः छात्रः, परन्तु साधारणः छात्रः अस्ति. सः गृहे न पठति, सः पाठशालां गत्वा एव पठति. तु सः पाठशालां किमर्थं गच्छति? पठितुं गच्छति. सः पाठशालां पठितुं गच्छति.
To read.
In order to study, he is going to the paఠశాల. That is the other statement. In one statement it was he studied and then he went to the paఠశాల. In the other statement it was in order to study he is going to the paఠశాల. वयं सर्वे तादृशमेव कुर्मः.
Yes.
सम्यक्. अनन्तरं ल्यप् प्रत्ययः. So ल्यप् प्रत्ययः is slightly different. ल्यप् प्रत्ययः comes with tvantam. ल्यप्. So राजश्री महोदय भवती जानाति वा ल्यप् प्रत्ययः किम् अस्ति? कथम् उपयोगं कुर्मः?
लप् प्रत्ययः त्वा प्रत्ययः एव अस्ति, परन्तु यत्र प्रीफिक्स् उपसर्गः भवति तत्र त्वा प्रत्यय स्थाने लप् प्रत्ययः आगमिष्यति.
बहु सम्यक्. एकम् उदाहरणं ददातु.
प्रिया गृहे आगत्य पाठं
पाठयति. सम्यक्. सो प्रिया किं करोति? प्रिया
गृहम् आगत्य पाठं पाठयति.
भवती संशोधनं भवती एव कृतवती. तत्र प्रथमं तु भवती उक्तवती गृहे आगत्य, परन्तु गृहे आगत्य नास्ति, गृहम् आगत्य. किमर्थं गृहे नास्ति, गृहमेव किमर्थं?
यत्र त्वा तुमुन् ल्यप् आगच्छति तत्र द्वितीया एव भवति.
सम्यक्. यत्र त्वान्तं तुमुनान्तं ल्यबन्तम् उपयोगं कुर्मः तस्मात् पूर्वे केवलं द्वितीया विभक्ति एव आगच्छति. बहु सम्यक्. उत्तमं.
क्षम्यतां महोदय, मम इंटरनेट in between I had to log out because it just
चिन्ता नास्ति, चिन्ता एव नास्ति. एतत् सर्वं क्षम्यताम् आवश्यकं, चिन्ता नास्ति. तु भूतकाले अपि लङ् लकारः इति वयं उक्तवन्तः. अग्रे गत्वा वयं कुर्मः. अद्य I want to do vibhaktis, but लङ् लकारः, let's say one sentence. Can someone give me? चित्रा महोदय, भवती एकं वाक्यं दातुं शक्नोति वा? उदाहरणार्थं लङ् लकारः
अपठत्.
सम्यक्. तो रामः अपठत्. सम्यक्. रामः अपठत्. रामः पाठम् अपठत्. तदेव लङ् लकारः. भूतकाले यदि लङ् लकारः न उपयोक्तुम् इच्छामः, तु माधवी महोदय कथं वदामः? लङ् लकारः अहं न जानामि कथं करणीयमिति. तो कथं वदामि? रामः पाठम् अपठत्. अन्यत् रीत्या
रामः पाठं पठितवान्.
सम्यक्. तव तु प्रत्ययः तदपि भूतकाले एव भवति. तत्र रामः पाठं पठितवान्. तत्र people will say that पठितवान् is the verb. पठितवान् is not the verb. it is still a noun form. Okay, we will go deeper into that. It is still a noun form. Only lakaras are kriya padani. All these others, tavatu, tumun, tvantam, lyap, all of the others are fall under nama padani. Okay, tavatu is saying Ramah patham patitavan asit. The priya padam there is Gajaharaha asit. He was patham patitavan asit. He was in the state of studying a book. So that patitavan is actually describing Ramah. Okay, Ramah patitavan asit. He was in the state of studying. That was is the kriya padam. Asit is the kriya padam there. Tadeva asti. Agre bhavishyat kale lrit lakarah. Lrit lakarah vayam sarvam vayam janimah eva. Tatra priya mahodaya bhavati ekam vakyam vadati va lrit lakare.
सीता क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडिष्यति.
सम्यक्. सीता क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडिष्यति. बहु सम्यक्. तत्र लिट् लकारः तु भविष्यत्काले उपयोगं कर्तुं शक्नुमः. अनन्तरं भाववाचकाय वयं लोट् लकारः दृश्यते वा? लोट् लकारः अस्ति. तत्र लोट् लकारः कथं वदामः? गो एंड ड्रिंक इति एकं किमपि वक्तुम् इच्छामः चेत् प्रीति महोदय लोट् लकारः पिबतु. उत्तमं. सीता पिबतु, सीता चायं पिबतु. तदेव. So that is giving order or giving saying please. Pibatu tadrisham. Tadeva. Adya in Parichaya we will go on to do Vidhiling, which will also fall under Bhavavachakam. Bhavavachakam ityukte kim? Bhavam suchayati. Tatra lakarah asti, kriyapadam asti, parantu bhavam suchayati. It's giving it's a mood. Tadeva asti tatra. Agre. इदानीम् एकं श्लोकं पठामः. अहं पठामि, तदनन्तरं विश्लेषणं कुर्मः. तत्र विभक्ति रूपाणि किञ्चित् अधिकतया मनसि भवन्ति. रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे, रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः, रामाय तस्मै नमः. रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं, रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं, रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे, भो राम मामुद्धर. तदेव. श्लोकं जानन्ति वा सर्वे? किञ्चित् किञ्चित् प्रथमवाक्यमस्ति रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते इति. तत्र तदेव प्रथमवाक्यमस्ति. प्रीति महोदय, तत्र क्रियापदं किम्?
विजयते.
विजयते इत्युक्ते किम्?
सदा विजय प्राप्नोति.
सम्यक्. सदा विजयं प्राप्नोति इति. कः विजयं प्राप्नोति?
रामः.
तत्र रामः. किमर्थं रामो इति अस्ति?
विसर्गः सन्धि.
सम्यक्. I wanted to introduce this now because everybody here seems to be interested in shlokas. And in shlokas we see this a lot. There is Ramaha and suddenly it becomes Ramo. Okay, so that is visarga sandhi. Visargaha asit. Ramaha rajamanihi iti asti. Tatra visargaha gacchati. O iti adeshaha agacchati. That adesha word we will go into sandhi, but that is what happens. That visarga is replaced with O. Tatra. So Ramo, Ramaha vijayate iti asti tatra. Ramaha sada vijayate. Anantram rajamanihi iti ekam padam asti. Tatra, what is that Rajamani saying? Preeti Mahodaya.
विशेषण भावः.
Let's not go into the grammar.
रामः.
It is an adjective for Rama, saying that Ramah asti, saha कीदृशः Rama asti, saha राज्ञां मध्ये, in all the rajas, Maharajanam madhye, saha manihi iva asti. He is like a he's a gem. He's a gem. He's a gem among all the rajas. Tadrisham. So Ramah asti sada vijayate. Ramah कीदृशः Ramah? Rajamanihi. Anantara Ramam Ramesham bhaje. Madhavi Mahodaya. Tatra kriyapadam kim?
Bhaje.
Bhaje. Samyak. Tatra purushah kaha tatra? आत्मनेपदी अस्ति खलु भजे पुरुषः कः प्रथमपुरुषः वा
उत्तमपुरुषः
उत्तमपुरुषः उत्तमपुरुषः इत्युक्ते we are talking about me
ourselves
or ourselves तो तत्र कर्ता so if I say कः भजे
अहं
कः भजते अहं भजे अहं परन्तु तत्र अहम् इति नास्ति तो aham is adhyahara there. You don't need to say aham. If it is bhaje, you know that aham is the only word that is possible. So they will remove aham because it doesn't fall within the meter. In shlokas, they have to follow a meter. Chandas iti ekam, there is a requirement. So chandas tatra, it will not be fulfilled. So they need to have a specific number. There are different types of chandas. This one follows a meter where that aham will cause problems with the chandas, and it's not necessary. So they removed it. So aham ramam ramesham bhaje. Tatra karma padam kim Madhavi Mahodaya?
Ramam.
Ramam samyak. So kam bhaje, aham ramam bhaje. So tatra ramesham iti asti. Ramesham is describing Rama. Rama is whose husband? सीतायाः अन्य नाम अस्ति रमा इति खलु रमायाः ईशः रमेशः इति भवति तत्र रमा प्लस ईशः समस्तपदमस्ति they take rama and ईशः and make it rameshah. We will do that sandhi in parichaya. So ramesham ramam ramesham bhaje aham ramam bhaje api samyak eva, but they make it sweet and say aham ramam ramesham bhaje iti agachati tatra. Anantaram Rajashri Mahodaya bhavati agrimam vakyam pathatu. Ramenabhita
Ramenabhita nishacharachamuhu
तदेव चरचमुः तद् अग्रिमं वाक्यं भवति तत्र रामायणतः तु रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमुः इति किञ्चित् क्लेशः भवति तत्र द क्रियापदम् इस् अध्याहारः because here it is saying what is the tritiya vibhakti word that we can see there?
Ramena.
So Rama is doing something. Because of Rama, something is happening. Can you just think what is happening because of Rama?
Light.
Nisha ityukte ratri. Nisha charachamuhu. Nishayam kaha charati? Rakshasah. Tamam. So Nishayam charati Rakshasah. Rakshasanam chamuhu. Samuhu ityukte samuhah. Sangrahanam. So there is an army of Rakshasas. Nishachara chamuhu. Army of Rakshasas. Ramena kim bhavati? What happens to those Rakshasas? Can you guess?
Bhagata.
Bihata. Hata. Do you remember what hata means? Hatavan. Ramena nishachara chamuhu. That was they were killed. Chamuhu is actually singular here because it is one army. Abhihata iti asti. Ramena abhihata. So when Ramena abhihata comes together, it becomes Ramena abhihata. Again, there is sandhi happening, which we will do in Parichaya. So Ramah nishachara chamum hatavan iti uktam asti tatra. So the
abhihata Mahodaya abhihata ityukte hatavan.
Abhihata ityukte tatra, we will do this in Parichaya also. It is karmani prayoga. It is in not in active voice. It is passive voice. The army was killed. Chamuhu is actually strilingam. So abhihata is to say sampurnataya hatavan. That abhi prefix is there to say sampurnataya hatavan. So Ramah, so I'm changing this to active voice. I'm saying Ramah kim kritavan. Over here, what is it saying? It is saying Rakshasanam chamuhu tesham krite tasya krite kim abhavat iti they are saying here. They're using passive voice. The chamuhu abhihata abhavat iti uktamantah. I will change it to active voice because we don't know passive here. I'll say Ramah nishachara chamum hatavan.
Abhihata.
Purnataya hatavan.
Hatavan.
That is what we know. Tadeva asti tatra. Anantaram. Agrimam vakyam. Anuradha Mahodaya bhavati karoti va? महोदय अस्ति वा नास्ति वा हीना महोदय भवती करोति वा
Rama, it is for praying. So this fourth vibhakti will come.
Samyak tatra what is the word that is important? When will we know that fourth vibhakti comes?
It is Ramaya. For
Namaha.
Namaha.
Ah,
Yeah.
If
it
Namaha
goes
comes, we know it is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Bahu Samyak. If Namaha comes, we know it is Chaturthi Vibhakti. So Ramaya Tasmai Namaha. Again, they're saying not any Rama. That Rama who killed all those Rakshasas.
Rakshasa.
That Rama who is Rajamani, that Rama who is Rama's Ishaha, for him Tasmai Namaha. So they're using that Tasmai to say, they're pointing and saying for that Rama, for him. And because they're using for Rama, for Namaha, they have to put it in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Tasmai Namaha. Agrimam. Anuradha Mahodaya bhavati asti. Agrimam vadatu.
एकः प्रश्नः रामाय तस्मै नमः तत्र क्रियापदमस्ति वा
आम् तत्र सौम्या कृष्णपौर् उक्तवती करोमि इति अध्याहारः अस्ति परन्तु there is a little bit of a speciality there. If you use namaskaromi, then it become ramam namaskaromi khalu. But if you only say namaha karomi without the sandhi, then it is chaturthi vibhakti, and I don't know why.
Okay.
But that is the rule.
Okay.
So the adhyahara there is karomi. Aham namaha karomi. Aham namaha. That namaha is blessing, the prayers. Aham namaha dasyami. Aham namaha karomi. And it is to Ramaya. But namaskaromi, when you do the sandhi, it becomes like namaskaromi. So Ramam namaskaromi, and you point to and say Ramam, object. Tadeva asti.
And that why it is tasya nama lakarah iti bhavati vadati va?
न अहम् उक्तवती अहं न जानामि परन्तु तत्र समूहः भवति लट् लिट् लोट् तादृशं तत्र ल इति प्रथम अक्षरमस्ति. So that is actually, I don't know why they named it like that, when they could have said bhavishyat kale, vartamana kale tadrisham, but they gave these specific naming conventions for some ease of something, to codify, to make it easy. So I don't know why they use la, but because they've used la as the beginning, they've called it lakaras.
La at the beginning of all the verbs, all the forms.
All the lakara, lat, lit, lot, everything you'll find it's all la.
Small words.
Okay.
So it's called lakaras. Tadeva.
Okay.
La comes in all words.
So here one doubt I have. So here Ramam Ramesham Bhaje, that I was missing.
Yes.
Aham
Adhyahara.
So in this the kriya is missing. Ramaya Tasmai.
Correct. Just like when we said no, Krishnasya Bhagini Subhadra iti. There the kriya is missing. It doesn't matter. As long as the kriya padam or the nama padam, it is very clear what it is. It can be left out. Tadeva asti. Okay. Anuradha Mahodaya bhavati agrimam vakyam patati va till parataram?
Mahodaya. Raman nasti parayanam parataram.
Samyak. Tatra
Raman nasti.
Raman nasti. Tatra panchami vibhakti asti. Kutra asti?
Ramat nasti.
Samyak. We are not doing that in Parichaya. That will come in Shiksha. It is Vyanjana Sandhi, because there is Ramat plus Nasti. The ta and na mixed together and make it Raman Nasti. Don't worry about it now. You know it is just a formula. It will happen. You'll learn it in Shiksha. But for now, when we are reading shlokas and things like that, we should know that there is a Panchami Vibhakti there. So Ramat Nasti Parayanam Parataram. Okay. So atra Kriya Padam kim?
Ramat nasti parayanam parataram. Nasti asti kriya padam.
Nasti iti kriya padam. So they're doing something. They're saying, why are they using Panchami there? What are they doing? What does the statement mean?
So compared to Rama, there is nobody Paramtaram. There is better than him. There's nobody to pray to do kirti.
Correct. Exactly. We use Panchami when we are comparing with one person. When there is comparison with one person or one thing, we will say compared to this one person. You can think of the Apadanam. You can visualize it. Compared to this one person or thing, there is nobody who is higher. Parataram. Now we will not learn this. Tarap is also a pratyaya. Tarap tamap iti. Tarap means better than when it's added to it. Parataram. Para ityukte other. Other, nobody else who is better. Parataram. Okay. Why is it Tvitiya Vibhakti? Because it is the object. There is nobody who is better. Parayanam. Tatra para plus ayanam. Preeti Mahodaya had said in her Abhyasa Vargaha, Natvam iti. Ayanam, that is the ya dhatu, yati iti. Ayati ityukte agachati. Ayanam is the noun form, who comes. Para ayanam, another person who comes. There is nobody, no other person who comes who is better than Rama. That is what this statement is saying. Avagatam va sarve. Don't worry about the Vyakaranam. Get the bits and pieces of it. We will make sure that we understand the Vyakaranam later. But
The Parayanam, Mahodaya, can you repeat?
Para, it is para plus ayanam. Ayanam, there the dhatu is ya dhatu. Yati. Yati, gachati. It's the same as samana ritya, gachati iti asti. So yati, ayati. Ayanam is the noun form. Who comes, one who comes. Para plus ayanam will become parayanam. Because the repha is there. Ra, para, that ya in the middle doesn't matter. The na will become na. Parayanam. Okay. So all these anatvam and sandhi, you will find that Panini actually did not create these formulas. He was listening to people when they were speaking in Sanskrit, and these were the ways they were talking. So he codified that. This is how our tongue wants to speak. It is harder to say parayanam. It is easier to say parayanam. Okay. When we speak naturally, it will come as anatvam. And he made it into a formula. Okay? Tadeva asti. So, Ramat nasti parayanam parataram. Agrimam vakyam ka karoti?
Yeah, Mahodaya, what is the...
Kshamidam, vadatu?
Parataram.
That is also, that there is one tarap and tamap, there is one pratyaha. It's a pratyaya that we'll do only in Kovida. Parap, it is a kridanta. It is a suffix that is added to say better than, to say better. So paratara means better than others.
Okay.
Tarap. If we say paratama, it means best.
Tama
so
means?
Tama is best. Tara is better.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So if tara comes, it is, you'll see it a lot in slokams. Tamam and taram and all that. It is that is why I wanted to do a slokam, because lots of people had said slokams that were interested in. So para taram, better than anyone. So compared to Rama, Ramat means compared to Rama. Parayanam, when anyone comes, parataram kopi nasti. Tasya paramam kopi nasti. Tadeva asti etat vakyam.
Yeah, but in another sloka, we say that Suklam Baradaram.
That is different. You cannot find that ram, that is not taram. That is different over there.
Okay.
So this is very good. Now whenever you go looking in slokas, see if you can find that taram and tamam.
Yes.
Tamap. Okay, see if you can find it. If you find it, come and tell me. We'll discuss.
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Mahodaya, eka prashna. In normal language, when we speak, no, at home, Ramayana, Parayanam, Kritavan va. At home, we'll talk, no, at least in our Tamil, it is Parayanam means. Adu padithiya, Alex.
This is Parayanam.
Oh, correct. Oh, God.
This is Parayanam.
Okay.
Very good. No. Very good. This is how we learn. Otherwise, there's no other way to learn a language.
How can I get more confused like this?
No. You start by getting confused. Don't worry.
Okay.
That is when you know you're learning. Okay. Agrimam vakyam. Priya Mahodaya bhavati karoti va.
Ramasya
dasosmyaham.
Samyak. Tatra, what is the Kriya Padam?
Asmi.
Asmi. Aham. Tatra, they've used the aham, see? Because it goes with the meter. If they leave out the meter, that aham, I couldn't have sung it. It wouldn't have followed correctly. So that aham asmi. Samyak. Tatra karta tu aham eva. Aham asmi. Aham kim asmi?
Dasa.
Ramasya dasaha. Aham asmi. Okay. So that dasaha is describing me. here they are taking it as pullingam. Dasaha means what?
Dasa is
Servant.
servant.
Servant. We are doing Visheshya Visheshana Bhava, like Preeti Mahodaya said. What is it saying? That Dasaha is my adjective. It is telling you about me. What am I? Aham Kidrisham aham. Dasaha aham. Pullinge. So aham tu dasi. Aham dasi asmi Ramasya. Parantu shlokanam madhye tu pullinga eva agachati. Tu asmi aham Ramasya dasaha asmi. Iti asti tatra vakyam. There is a Visarga Sandhi happening there. We will go through it. It is not part of Parichaya syllabus, but we will go through it anyway as part of Lata. Okay? Because it is... Vadatu.
What is the special character after so?
So that is called Avagraha Chinnam. Avagraha Chinnam. Okay? And that is there to say there is a Hrasva Akaraha hiding there. It is just a placeholder. It is a placeholder for that Akaraha. For A.
So where is that akara coming?
So if I were to write it, 1 minute, if I can find that, 1 minute.
Because I see that all
I get it. 1 second. I knew this would come up, and that's why I'm trying to get to that. 1 second. Everything is hiding here. 1 second. Okay. So here it is daso. 1 minute. Daso smi. Kalu. Tatra. Can everybody see this?
Yeah.
Yes, dasosmi. What happened was it is dasaha asmi. Okay, it is dasaha asmi. What happens here is because this a is here afterwards, this becomes o. And when we have o followed by a, it is something called purva rupa sandhi, and it will become this. So this one, this avagraha chinnam, we will learn. That is part of Parichaya syllabus. This why this Visargaha becomes O, that is not part of Parichaya syllabus, but I will teach you anyway. It is fun. So we'll do it. Okay. Let's go. If I can find that. I can't find it now. Here. Okay. So Ramasya dasaha asmi aham iti. That everybody understood that so far? No problem?
Yes.
What is the vibhakti there of that Rama Shabdaha?
Ramasya.
Shashti. Why is it Shashti?
Of I am
Relationship.
Dasa.
relation.
So what is the which two words have the sambandha here?
Ramasya.
Ramaha aham.
Is it related to aham?
No.
Kasya? Where will you ask the question Kasya? Preeti Mahodaya, you are on mute. Dasaha. Correct. Kasya dasaha. So Rama and Dasa, that Shabdas, there is a Sambandha. So Ramasya Dasaha. Samyak. Agre. Agre ka patati. Everybody's had a turn, I think, or have I missed anybody? Mahodaya, Chitra Mahodaya, bhavati patitavati va? Na patitavati.
Rame chittalayah sada bhavatu me bho.
Bhavatu me. Tadeva.
Bhavatu me.
Okay. So can you tell me the meaning of that sentence? In English, it's okay.
Rame chittalayah. Chitta means maybe your mind gets laya tuned to Rama. Sada bhavatu me. Let it tune to your let your mind tune to Rama.
Correct. Very good. So Rame in Rama. Rama. What is the karta here? Sada. So there it's me here is. Anybody know what is me here? It is the asmad shabdaha. It is a vikalpa rupam.
Me, no?
Mama me iti agati.
Mama chittaha sada.
Mama chittaha sada rame bhavatu.
Rame bhavatu. Rame laya bhavatu.
Layah. Chitta layah. Do you know how you say deva layah?
Where it is there,
is
present.
Let my mind's my mental state constantly be in Rama.
Let the mind hold.
Let my mind mental Rame in Rama. Let it constantly be in Rama. We can't do dialect translation. Unfortunately, in Sanskrit it doesn't work. So that's what it's
very nice. Chittalayah.
Chittalayah. Sada kutra vasaniyam? Rame bhavatu.
Rame bhavatu.
Bhavatu iti lakarah kaha?
Bhavati bhavatu bhavata.
It is agya.
Lot. It is not Agnya, it is Pratignya here.
Pratigya.
Please
Okay.
let me always constantly think of Rama only.
Stay in Rama.
Tadeva asti.
Let it
Mahodaya,
be. Let it be. No,
Let it
Bhavatu
be.
is be.
Let it be. Let it be like that. Chitra Mahode, bhavatyaha patyuh nama
Krishnamurti.
Krishnamurti Mahode, bhavan antimam vakyam patatu.
Rama.
Bo Rama.
Bo Rama.
Bo Rama.
Mamadhura.
Mamadhura.
Mam uddhara. Uddhara. Uddhara ityukte mam pahi. We've heard that in shlokas. Mam pahi.
Pahi mam.
Tadeva asti. Uddhara. Tatra dhru dhatu asti. Dhru dhatu. Do you guys know dhru dhatu? Dharati.
Dharati.
Dharati ityukte kim?
Dharati is holding again.
Holding, supporting, wearing. Tadeva asti.
Supporting.
So, mam, please uddhara. Ud is to uplift. Please uplift me. Okay. So, Bho Rama. What is the vibhakti of Rama?
Rama.
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana Pratama. Hey Rama.
Oh Rama, uplift my mind.
Yes. You're talking to him. So, uddhara is which lakara?
Uddhara.
Uddharati will be in lat.
Uddhara is pratama, this thing, vartamana, lat lakara.
Is it? Uddharati is lat lakara. Uddhara.
Uddhara is again
Lot. Which Purusha?
Madhyam Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. They are literally talking to Rama and saying, they're having a personal conversation with Rama and saying, Bho Rama, Mam Uddhara. They're saying, you, please, you have to uplift me. Padrisham. Tvam is Adhyahara there. Okay. So when people say Bhavan is actually respectful, Tvam is not, that is not true. What is true in Sanskritam is that you cannot be disrespectful. Tvam is also respectful. Okay. If you can talk to God and say Tvam, you can definitely talk to each other and say Tvam. There is no problem. So then there is we have made these slides for all of you. It is going to be there in the Google Notes. In these notes, now this is like information dump. Okay, over here. I will go through it with you and I will explain. But this is something, like I said, it is a lifetime learning. Because even though I have written it, even though Bhanu Mahodaya has written it and Surya Mahodaya has written it, even we, as and when we are going through this Vibhakti Vallari book, Vibhakti Vallari book is a gem.
Yes, we have.
Book is a gem. The Pravesha book is a gem. Never lose them. When you go through them, every single time I go through it, I learn something new. Today only I was calling my friend, she does the Abhyasa Varga in Malati. I was calling her and saying, oh my God, is Prati, is it Upapada Dvitiya or is it Upapada Dvitiya or is it Upapada Shashti? So, you constantly have these doubts. So these slides here are there for your reference in this Google. It will be there in your Lata notes, and everybody should refer to it when you get confused. Or if you can refer to Vibhakti Vallari, even better. Do that. Okay. So now let's just quickly go through all the Upapada Vibhakti usages. Who knows what is Upapada Vibhakti? We'll go through this without the share screen, and then I'll share it in the end so that we can go through. Okay. So who knows what is Upapada Vibhakti? Anybody knows what is Upapada Vibhakti? Vijay Mahodaya Bhavan Janati Va. If I say Namaha, you have to use Chaturthi.
Yes.
So, can you tell me if there is any specific word you have to use Dvitiya? Where it could be for Dvitiya when we're using Dvitiya and Karma Padam? For which words we have to use Dvitiya? Suppose I ask you to translate.
Karma
Padam. Suppose I ask you to translate this sentence. Rama goes to the temple. Don't use Rama goes to the school. How will you say that?
Rama sorry. Rama
goes to school.
Rama goes to Rama Vidyalayam Gacchati.
Samyak. Rama Vidyalayam Gacchati. Kimartham Vidyalayam?
Vidyalayam is a school and it's a Dvitiya Patam.
Why Dvitiya? When we say he's going to school, it's locative, correct?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
But why do we use Dvitiya? Because of?
कर्मपदं
गच्छति.
गच्छति.
Anytime we have gachati, we have to use dvitiya.
Right.
Have to use dvitiya. Anytime there is gachati. Now, to confuse us, there is one more option also, but it's not regularly used. With gachati, we can use one more vibhakti form also. Kopi janati va? If I can say, Ramah Vidyalayam gachati, I can say it in another way also. With which vibhakti? Anybody knows?
Chaturthi vibhakti.
Correct. Prashant Mahodaya, Bhavan vadatu. State sampurna vakyam vadatu.
Ramah Vidyalayaya gachati.
Samyak. Tatra vikalpa rupena bhavitum arhati. Parantu laukika bhashayam vayam dvitiya vibhakti eva upayogam kurmaha. So Ramah patashalam gachati. Ramah Vidyalayam gachati. So when gachati, when that gam dhatu is used, we have to use dvitiya vibhakti. Tadeva asti. Agre. What else? What do we know? Rajashri Mahodaya bhavati uktavati. Yada kvantam labantam tuvanantam upayogam kartum samaye. Tatra vibhakti ka?
Dvitiya Mahodaya.
Dvitiya eva upayogam kartum shaknamaha. Aham laddukam khaditva nidram karomi. Na karaniyam. Parantu laddukam khaditva nidram karomi. So tatra laddukam has to be in dvitiya vibhakti. Aham patham pathitva eva kridami. That's what I want to do. Parantu aham kriditum ichhami. Parantu patham pathitva eva kridami. Anantaram aham chayam patum ichhami. Chayam patum ichhami. Tatra chayam, even though it's napumsakalingam, we use it in dvitiya vibhakti. So tumun, lyabantam, tvantam. Before that, it has to be in dvitiya. So that is dvitiya vibhakti. Tadeva asti. Anantaram kim? Do you remember any of the other words that have to be specially used in dvitiya? Suppose, Rajashri Mahodaya, suppose I say, there are trees on both sides of the road. Do you remember what is that special word for both sides of the road?
Ubayataha.
So vakyam vadatu tatra.
Margam ubayataha vrikshani santi.
Samyak. Vrikshaha santi. Margam ubhayataha vrikshaha santi. If you use ubhayataha, you have to use dvitiya. Anantaram, Madhavi Mahodaya, if I say there are gardens all around my house, how would you say that?
Gruham paritaha vrikshani santi. Udyanani santi.
Samyak. So griham, again paritaha. Paritaha is all around. Ubhayataha is to both sides. Then we have what else? What other words do we have? We have abhitaha, that is also on both sides. Sarvataha, everywhere. For all
Vina.
those four words.
Vina.
Very special word. Thank you. We have to talk about vina. But we know these four words now. Ubhayataha, paritaha, sarvataha, paritaha. All these four words we have to use dvitiya vibhakti. Tadeva upayogam karaniyam. Anantaram vina. Vinam prati agachamaha. Mahodaya bhavan vadatu. Vina upayujya ekam vakyam vadatu.
Ramah vina Sita vanam na gacchati.
Samyak. So tatra Ramah asti. Tatra which vibhakti should be used for vina?
Ramam
vina. Sita kadapi na gacchati. Vanam kadapi na gacchati. Samyak. But there are two other forms I can use. Anuradha Mahodaya, bhavati vadatu.
No, I was about to say Vina Venkatesham Nanato Nanata. I remember that.
Very good. Vina Venkatesham, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Bahu Samyak. Very good. Now, I will go back to that statement. Ramam Vina Sita Kadapi Nagachati. There is another Vikalpam form also we can use. For Vina.
Ramena
Vina Sita Kadapi Nagachati. There is another form also we can use.
Ramat
Vina. Vina is a very special word. You can use it in Tritiya, Dvitiya and Panchami. Okay? And none of them will be wrong. So it's easy. You can't go wrong. Just have to use it in one of those three. Whichever one follows for you, you use it. Okay? But there is, like Vina, there is another word. We'll come to that later. Okay. There's another word that is special for Dvitiya. That is Prati. like I got confused about prati. So aham tvam prati agamishyami, I will come towards you. Aham nidram prati gacchami, I am going to go to sleep. Nidram prati gacchami. I have a class which I teach at Thursday in the night, and every night I have to say, because usually I am running on and on and on and on, finally I have to say na aham idanim nidram prati gamishyami eva, no chet nidram sampurnam na bhavati iti. So nidram prati gacchami. So prati you have to use. Prati is a common word. It's dvitiya vibhakti. Tattu avashyakam. Sarve avagachanti? Dvitiya vibhaktyah. So let me share my screen. It is all there in eka sankshepa rupena asti. So in dvitiya vibhakti, everybody can see? द्वितीया विभक्त्याः उपपद विभक्ति शब्दाः अत्र सन्ति. त्वान्तं लबन्तं कुमनान्तं गम धातुना, अनन्तरम् अभितः परितः उभयतः सर्वतः. Vina prati. Now there's this special word adhi. We did this in pravesha. Who can I ask? Preeti Mahodaya, bhavati vadatu kimapi vakyam adhi upayujya.
Sita vane vanam adhivasati.
Samyak. Kimartham vanena? Ahamapi tadrishamev uktam.
Dvitiya. Dvitiya eva bhavishyati yadi vayam adhi.
Because saptami vibhakti is adhikaranam, we said, no? Adhi itself is locative. So when we take a dhatu and we put adhi in front of it, the locative sense of it is already there. Adhi vasati, lives in. So then we use only dvitiya. Vanam adhivasati, kailasa paravatam adhivasanti. Shiva parvatyoho kailasa parvatam adhivasanti, adhivasatah, tadrisham. So everybody understands? Dvitiya vibhakti.
Nivasati api tadeva.
No. You're right. It seems like that, but not for nivasati. Nivasati you will use in vane nivasati only, you will say. Good question. Very good question.
Thank you.
Very good question. Even though it is in the sense of location, nivasati is living in, but over there we use saptami only. Very good. Thank you. Now the question here is Puratah, Prishthatah, Dakshinatah, Vamatah. Tatra vibhakti ka, tatra kim vibhakti upayogam karaniyam? Panchami va?
Shashti.
Tatra sambodhana bhavati.
Sorry. Shashti, yeah, forgot. Yeah.
Chinta nasti. Mama puratah, mama prishthatah, mama dakshinatah, mama vamatah. Tadeva bhavati. It is sambodhana. We use sambodhana over there. Don't ask me why abhitah puritah is not that. I have no clue. There is some grammatical rule which differentiates these two sets. So, but we have to remember.
Mahodaya, you said sambodhana, is it? Here?
Not sambodhana. No. There's some sambandha.
Acha. Okay.
Please pull me up when I say things like this. I need to improve my Sanskrit speaking. Thank you.
So it will be grihasya puratah.
Exactly. Grihasya puratah. Say in front of the house, grihasya puratah, parantu griham paritah. Grihasya puratah, griham paritah. Tadeva asti. Anantaram tritiya vibhaktyaah api kechana niyamaah santi. Tatra tritiya vibhaktyam kim bhavati? Sadhana rupena vayam janimah. Hastena khadami, aham chamasena khadami, chashakena pibami. Tadrisham bhavantah sarve jananti. That is the first thing that we learn in tritiya vibhakti. Sadhana rupena upayogam kartum shaknumah. Bhavavachaka shabdaah ityukte, when you are saying that it is an adverb. Hello. Santoshena aham gacchami. Aham patishalam santoshena gacchami. Patitum. Aham krodhena pashyami. Mama shishuhu asti. Saha kolahalam karoti. Aham krodhena pashyami. Tadeva. So bhavam suchaitum dvitiya vibhakti upayogam kartum shaknumah. Tatra. So is everybody okay with that, or do we want to go through that a little bit? Anybody have any
even for bhava, it becomes an instrument. I mean,
yes.
It becomes.
Yes, because that is through that I am doing something.
Through that time.
Correct. Very good. Tadeva. Anantaram saha.
I travel through train.
Illa santoshena.
Aham santoshena relyanena gacchami. Relyanena is also a sadhanam. I am going with the train, but I am also going with happiness. That is also a something that is pushing me along, that is a cause that is happening. Tadeva asti. So karanavachakam, something that is kena karanena kimapi bhavati chet, tatrapi tritiya vibhakti upayogam kartum shaknumaha. So tasya agamanena mama santushtah abhavat.
What is the saha sakam sardham?
I'll go to that. Everybody just listen to me now. I'll stop share. Okay. So because we were talking about things that
go together.
We're talking about sadhanam. Hello. Talking about sadhanam. So upayogam sadhanam tadrisham asti chet. We talked about how vahanena gacchami. Aham hastena khadami. Tadrisham. Anantaram santoshena pathami. Tadapi sadhanam tadrisham drashtum shaknumaha. Anantaram aham santushtah asmi. Kena karanena santushtah asmi. Saha agatavan. Tena karanena aham santushtah asmi. Tasya agamanena aham santushtah asmi. So tadapi tatra sadhanam bhavati. Mama santushtasya sadhanam bhavati. Avagatam va? Tena agamanena mama santushtah bhavat. Tat vartam aham shrutavati. Tat vartaya mama santushtah bhavat. Karanam asti chet, that to make it a simple sentence, you can use tritiya vibhakti there. Tena karanena mama santushtah tadrisham. Anantaram saha sakam sardham iti asti khalu. Tatra I shared my screen. 1 minute, I will share my screen again. So that is saha vayam sarve janimaha. Saha iti. Madhavi Mahodaya ekam vakyam vadatu saha upayujya.
बालकः मित्रेण सह पाठशालां गच्छति.
Samyak. What is the meaning tatra arthah kaha?
The boy went to school with his friend.
Correct. So with. So it is also saying that through this etasya dvara kimapi abhavat, because he went to school with his friends. So saha, sakam, sardham, samam all mean the same thing as saha. So Ramaha mitrena saha gatavan. Ramaha mitrena sakam gatavan. Ramaha mitrena sardham gatavan. Ramaha mitrena samam gatavan. Samam in shlokas. Samam you will see in shlokas.
Sardham, samam. Yes.
You will see samam especially in shlokas. Samam, saha, sakam, sardham. Samanartham.
But then how, in what way we will use this saha, sagam and sardham?
Mitrena saha. Aham mitrena saha gacchami. Aham with him mitrena saha gacchami.
Yes.
Aham with him, aham to the market. With him, aham mitrena sakam gacchami. Wherever saha was, you remove it and you put sakam. Wherever saha was, you remove it, you put sardham. Okay. Wherever saha was, you remove it, you put samam. Same.
So we can use one of these. It's not necessary.
Anyone. They're equivalent.
Okay.
Samanartha padaha. Padani. That's all. They're the same meaning. The only thing that will happen is when you use sakam, sardham, samam, there will be some sandhi rules which happen at the end. With saha, it becomes very easy. There is no sandhi rule at all. That's why every time they read saha.
All right. Okay.
It ends with an akara. It ends sa plus a plus h plus a. It ends in an akara, khalu. So it becomes very easy when you join it with other words. So that's why saha is the first thing that is taught. But sakam, sardham, samam all mean the same thing. Vina we already discussed. Vina also we can use with tritiya vibhakti. Ramena vina na gacchati. Sita kadapi. Karanavachakam also we discussed. Now this alam. Okay. We'll come back to alam. Let's go to this prayana sadhanam and dhanam. Prayana sadhanam. What does prayanam mean? Travel. Now,
what about this karanavachaka? Karanavachaka, hetuvachaka.
Aham santushtah asmi. Kimartham? Kena karanena? Tasya agamanena.
You explained that. Correct.
Vartaya. Ekam vartam shrutavati. Taya vartaya. Aham santushtah asmi.
Varta, news, yeah?
Varta. So by listening to that news, I was happy. So vartaya santushtah asmi. Because I'm a girl. I forgot. I became a boy all of a sudden. Anyway, so Prayana sadhanam. We were talking about prayana sadhanam. There also, if you look at it, ya is the dhatu. Pra plus yanam. Pra plus yanam. You see yati, the ya dhatu? Ya to go. So prayati. So she goes to travel. Prayana sadhanam. Sadhanam is the what is being used to go. So prayana sadhanam. So we talked about that. Krishnamurti Mahodaya Bhavan Uktavan.
Ramen.
Railyane gacchati.
Railyane. Santoshena Railyane.
Railyane. Aham Bhavan Uktavan khalu?
So no.
You will use the train to go by train.
Railyane.
Aham. Tritiya. I go by train to Chennai. Aham Chennai Nagaram Railyanena gacchami.
Railyanena gacchami.
Aham US Desham Katham gacchami? Railyanena gantum shaknomi. Vimanena gacchami. Vimanena gacchami. So tatra prayana sadhanam abhavat. Idanim dhanam. Aham idanim vithim gacchami. तो प्रशांत महोदय वित्थ्यां तु पुस्तकानि सन्ति पुस्तकानि तु अहं क्रेतुम् इच्छामि कथं क्रीणामि तत्र प्रशांत महोदय अस्ति वा वदतु कथं क्रीणामि तत्र
प्रश्नं पुनः पृच्छतु कृपया
आम् अहम् इदानीं वित्थीं गच्छामि तु वित्थ्यां तु कानिचन पुस्तकानि सन्ति अहं क्रेतुम् इच्छामि कथं क्रीणामि
कथम रूप्यकेन
यदि एक रूप्यकम् अस्ति तो चिंता नास्ति परन्तु एक रूप्यकेन किमपि न आगच्छति इदानीं रूप्यकैः बहूनि रूप्यकाणि आवश्यकानि खलु एकं रूप्यकं पर्याप्तं न भवति
धनेन
किं धनेन आम् अहं धनेन आभरणं क्रीणामि धनेन आभरणं क्रीणामि किमर्थं धनेन even though it is singular dhanam is wealth so with my wealth I will buy आभरणं सम्यक् नो चेत् रूप्यकैः बहु सम्यक् धन्यवादः महोदय इदानीम् अलं प्रति गच्छामः now that word it is a point of confusion for me okay so I want to make sure it is not confusing for anybody else also this alam is actually a very nice word. Alam can be used in two different ways. Idanim mama shishudvayam asti te tau tu kolahalam kurutah atra. Aham tu mama shirovedana asti idanim. To aham vadami alam kolahalena paryaptam asti. Idanim ma karotu mastu alam kolahalena paryaptam tu tadeva samanartham. Parantu yada in this way if we use alam it has to be in tritiya alam kolahalena alam kalahena aham idanimeva aham kim krutavati I shouted khalu idanimeva mama shishudvayasya upari aham krutavati tu te vadanti alam krodhena mata enough don't be so angry shishu asti Chinta nasti, tadeva khalu. So that is one usage of alam. So enough. But there is another usage, and I'm going to go straight to that before we move to anything else. It is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. In Chaturthi Vibhakti, you can also use alam to say Rama was enough. You didn't need anything more. You just need Rama to finish off Ravana. Nothing more is needed. Rama drashtum shaknumanti va? Ramah Ravanaya alam. He is more than enough to kill Ravana. You do not need an army. You do not need Lakshmana. You do not need anything else. You just need Rama. Ramah Ravanaya alam. Preeti Mahodaya asti. Preeti Mahodaya abhyasavargam chalayati. Bahu samyak rita chalayati. So Preeti Mahodaya Abhyasa Vargaya Alam. She is enough. You don't need anyone else. She can take the Abhyasa Varga. Okay? Avagatam va sarve. Chinta nasti. So that is we finished Tritiya. Does anyone have any questions about Dvitiya or Tritiya?
धनस्य
तो रूप्यकैः धनेन अहं क्रीणामि किमपि तो तत्र धनस्य उपयोगं भवति. Okay, this, as I said, this is a lifelong learning. Okay, this slide will be there anytime you're reading something, writing something. If you have a confusion, go to this or go to Vibhakti Valery and refer to it. I have to refer to it. I have to refer to it. So more than quite a bit of the time. So it's very useful. So Upapada Vibhakti Shabdaha.
Could you make a sentence with the dhanasya?
Aham vitthim gacchami. Tatra
vitthim mane vitthim
shop. Shop tadeva. Aham tatra आपणं गच्छामि तत्र 10 रूप्यकैः किमपि आगच्छति वा न 15 रूप्यकैः पुस्तकं क्रीतवती.
धनस्य, if we use dhanasya,
धनं means अहं मम समीपे धनम् अस्ति. I have money. तो धनेन अहम् आभरणं क्रीतवती. मम धनेन आभरणं क्रीतवती. So that is just a way of saying anytime you are using wealth or money or anything to buy.
Okay.
I think the dhanasya is confusing.
Okay, I'll change that. Shall I just put kretum? Shall I put kretum? Kretum samaye. Shall I do that? Is that better? Okay. Kretum samaye. Okay. So that's that. Okay. So I know it is the information overload, but because we have to do Punaravalokanam, we'll do Punaravalokanam over 2 days. We'll do this lesson and we'll do the next lesson. And I tend to go a little bit more in depth in all these things. If it's going too much and you want to take a break and you want to do something else, you tell me. This is
no, we can stop with Prathama and Dvitiya maybe.
Prathama Dvitiya is done. Shall we go to
Dvitiya and Tritiya? Dvitiya and Tritiya itself is loaded.
You want to stop here? You don't want to go to Chaturthi Panchami?
Others can tell their opinion. My opinion is
no problem. Shall we move to Lakaras then?
Yes.
Or would you like to? Shall we move to Lakaras?
How long are the classes, Mahodaya?
Oh, it's finished.
समयः अभवत्.
क्षम्यताम्. इदानीं was it too much? Did I go too in depth or was it okay?
Really good. No, it was okay.
It was really good.
Okay, because the other classes they finished all the vibhaktis. I don't know. I go very slowly, so
no. We go slowly because
it was in depth.
Okay.
So
it was very good.
Liked it. Yeah, it was very good.
Okay. So any किमपि प्रश्नः अस्ति वा?
पठित्वा सन्देहः अस्ति
वा? वदतु. तुमुन् प्रत्यय. I promise we will go over with the lakaras.
Okay.
We will go over with lakaras. For today mainly you understand everything that we did with Prathama, Dvitiya and Tritiya. And that shlokam, was everything okay with the shlokam?
Yes, shlokam was very good.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. So I'll try and bring a shlokam into every class because there lots of us have that.
Yes, there are many shlokams with different vibhaktis.
Yes, and it's good to understand also, and it's good practice also. So we'll do that.
And all vibhaktis are there.
Those shlokas
all vibhaktis are there in one shloka.
Exactly.
So you easily understand.
So correct. It is there, right? That shloka you will be presenting.
It will be there in the slides. 100%.
No. Okay.
Yes.
Nice shloka. Very good shloka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So that one can easily understand all the vibhaktis.
And along with that, very nice meanings also. Very nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Rama, that poetry was also very nice. You we understood very nicely.
Very good. Very good. Uttamam. इदानीं शान्तिमन्त्रं कोऽपि वदति वा? विजयमहोदय भवान् वदति वा? सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः.
I'll have to look at it anyway.
I can share my screen. Wait, one.
Yeah.
No problem. I am also same stage. Here. Where Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. This one.
Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् भागवेत् ओम शांति 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 ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः
हरि ओम
हरि
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय।
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति महोदय, not planning to leave you.
no problem, please tell.
So alam, so if it is paryapta meaning, then it is tritiya vibhakti.
Correct.
And chaturthi, if it is he is like more than enough, like
Yes, no
like
one
that.
else is needed. It is just that much is enough. Tadrisham.
Okay. Okay. So then I can say asmakam kakshayai Anuradha Anand Mahoday alam something like that.
Dhanyawad.
And how do we say don't compare yourself with others?
So comparison there, when we use comparison, when we use panchami because we are comparing one person. Hello. So mat upari mat no there you will go with tritiya.
I know apekshaya word, but I don't know how to use it.
No, good question. That apekshaya, if you use, you have to use mama apekshaya. But that is but can I get, because that is a very good thing. So what I will do is I will put in our group, I will put that sentence. I have to think about it. I have to do some vishlesanam. When I do that, I will write out also what my thinking is, and I will put it in the group.
Can we say Tvaya apekshaya kopi na asti na something like that?
That is saying with comparison to, there is no one else like that. But she wants to say don't compare yourself with others.
So it should end with mastu.
Mastu. So apeksham mastu no chet does anyone else know? Otherwise I'll figure it out and I'll tell. I'll figure it out and tell. I'll ask around also.
Okay. Namaste.
I'm at the same level as all of you. Remember that, okay? So just studied a little bit more. That's all. So I'll look it up and I'll definitely I'll put it. Anybody?
Aham bhavatyaha kaksha bahu santosham anubhavami enjoy karomi.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
Samyak asti.
Dhanyavadah.
We enjoyed a lot.
Bahu samyak asti.
Dhanyavadah.
We enjoyed a lot.
I'm glad. That is
Enjoy if you say. Enjoy.
Ramate. Rame.
Kaksham Rame.
But it is from, so you'll use Panchami. Kakshayaha Rame. From your class, I have, you will say Rochate Kalu. It pleases me, Tadrisham. That makes more sense.
Rochate.
Mahyam Kaksha Rochate iti.
Rochate is more like liking, right?
It pleases me. It pleases me, Tadrisham.
So it will be Chaturthi, no? It will be Chaturthi.
Kakshayai Mahyam Kaksha Rochate. Patram. So we'll go to that when we do Chaturthi next class.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.